SITA is world's leading communications provider for airlines and airport authorities in the world. We deal with almost over 1,000 airports, which covers approximately over 90% of the airports in the world. And we have very leading air transport related solutions like baggage management, passenger data collection, and border management solutions. Prior to migration to Oracle Cloud, all the Oracle related workloads were running in our Atlanta data center. Business was not able to do some basic activities like pay the suppliers, fill in the expenses. Essentially, it ended up having a lot of IT resources internally as well as our external workforce that we keep hiring, requiring to do that additional work to manage, maintain, and support the infrastructure that existed. That made us evaluate various options in the market as to which targets we can migrate these enterprise workloads to. The sheer reasons for moving to OCI or Oracle Cloud Infrastructure was the stability, the resilience, the security that comes with OCI infrastructure. Overall, in a nutshell, it has simplified our architecture, and it's a modern way of managing the infrastructure. It's been quite great working with Oracle Customer Success Services because it has streamlined our internal processes. We hardly spend any time in managing or looking at the infrastructure that is exclusively managed by the CSS team. I think Oracle is a key enabler in terms of technology for any business to improve its processes. In a nutshell, it has been a transformative experience.